Storm signals. Public storm warning signals are raised to warn the public of incoming weather disturbances. Once a storm signal is raised, conditions are not yet necessarily felt in the given area. Public storm signal number 1. Winds of 30 to 60 kilometers per hour may be expected in at least 36 hours. This means twigs and branches of small trees may be broken. Some banana plants may be tilted or downed. Some houses of very light materials like nipa and kogon may be partially unroofed. Unless this warning signal is upgraded during the entire existence of the tropical cyclone, only very light or no damage at all may be sustained by the exposed communities. Rice crop, however, may suffer significant damage when it is in its flowering stage. Public storm signal number 2. Winds of greater than 60 kilometers and up to 100 km per hour may be expected in at least 24 hours. Some coconut trees may be tilted with a few others broken. Few big trees may be uprooted. Many banana plants may be downed. Rice and corn may be adversely affected. A large number of nipa and kogon houses may be partially or unroofed. Some old, galvanized iron roofing may be peeled off. In general, the winds may bring light to moderate damage to the exposed communities. Public storm signal number 3. Winds are greater than 100 km per hour up to 185 km per hour may be expected in at least 18 hours. Many coconut trees may be broken or destroyed. Almost all banana plants may be downed and a large number of trees may be uprooted. Rice and corn crops may suffer heavy losses. Majority of all nipa and kogon houses may be unroofed or destroyed, and there may be considerable damage to structures of light to medium construction. There may be widespread disruption of electrical power and communication services. In general, moderate to heavy damage may be expected, practically in the agricultural and industrial sectors. Public storm signal number 4. Very strong winds of more than 185 km per hour may be expected in at least 12 hours. Coconut plantations may suffer extensive damage. Many large trees may be uprooted. Rice and corn plantation may suffer severe losses. Most residential and institutional buildings of mixed construction may be severely damaged. Electrical power distribution and communication services may be severely disrupted. And overall, damage to affected communities can be very heavy. You should know when to evacuate under the following conditions. First, if you are directed by local authorities to do so, be sure to follow their instructions. Second, if you live in a mobile home or temporary structure. Third, if you live in a high-rise building, because hurricane winds are stronger at higher elevations. Next, if you live on the coast or in an inland waterway. And lastly, when you feel you are in danger. If you are unable to evacuate, go to your safe room, and if you do not have one, follow these guidelines. Stay indoors during the hurricane and away from windows and glass doors. Close all interior doors. Secure and brace external doors. Keep curtains and blinds closed. Take refuge in a small interior room, closet, or hallway on the lowest level. Lastly, lie on the floor under a table or another sturdy object. Emergency supplies kit. Assemble supplies you might need in an evacuation. Store them in an easy-to-carry container such as backpack or duffel bag. First, supply of water. Store water in sealed and breakable containers, identify the storage date, and replace it every 6 months. Eating utensils. A supply of non-perishable packaged or canned food and non-electric can opener, cookies, coffee, milk or cereals, lighters and candles, pens and papers, a change of clothing, rain gear, and sturdy shoes, blankets or sleeping bags, a first aid kit and prescription medications, an extra pair of glasses, a battery-powered radio, flashlight, and plenty of extra batteries. Credit cards and cash, an extra set of car keys, a list of family physicians, if with a baby, food, things, thermometer, cell phones, chargers, and telephone numbers, rope and other usable light tools, a list of important family information, special items for infants, elderly, or disabled family members, disposable cups and plates, personal hygiene like toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, and whistle. Recovering from disaster. Recovering from a disaster is usually a gradual process. Safety is a primary issue, as are mental and physical well-being. If assistance is available, knowing how to access it makes the process faster and less stressful. This section offers some general advice on steps to take after disaster strikes in order to begin getting your home, your community, and your life back to normal.